Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore the backup from Google One on Motorola ThinkPhone 25. Okay, as you can see, we are doing the setup process. In here, select your language and click on Start. When we have possibility to set up the device using another device, we want to click on Skip. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi manually, so simply select your network and type password to it. Then hit the connect. Okay, now we need to wait a little bit. Now scroll down, click on accept and continue. Okay, and now we have the most important part. We have possibility to sign in into Google account. And remember that if you want to restore a backup from your Google account, right now you need to log in into the same Google account on which you made the backup before. So that's what I'm about to do. Then click on next. And now we will have to type the password. Okay, click on next, click on agree. And now we can set a pin. It's up to you. I'll skip it because it's always available later in the settings. Now, when we have possibility to copy apps and data, click on next. And now we can select which backup we want to restore. In my case, I have a lot of them created, but I want to restore this one. Okay, now choose what you want to restore from that list. You can restore apps, contacts, SMS messages, and device settings. When it comes to Google Photos, Gmail account, and Drive, those things are synced automatically, so you don't need to do anything. In my case, I want to copy apps, so I'll select them, then hit the restore button. Okay, now when it comes to Google services, simply scroll down and hit accept. Now we have the backup services. They're really useful, so I always highly recommend turning them on. Always also do it on my personal devices. Now we need to select our default browser and search engine. I always use Google Chrome and Google as my search engine. And now we can continue the setup or leave and get a reminder. Let's click on continue. But everything is up to you, of course. Now we have a feature to let contacts nearby find and share with us. It's up to you. I'll agree. And we can also remotely launch our Google Assistant by simply saying, "Hey Google." It's up to you. I'll agree. We can activate the voice match. Again, up to you. We can get access into our assistant without unlocking the device. Again, up to you. Now click on OK. Okay, getting the phone ready, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, now if you want, you can allow for notifications from the Motorola. I'll agree. You can also sign into, I don't know exactly what it is by, but if you register your mail, you'll be able to simply get information about product launches, events, tips, beta tests, and similar things. In my case, I'll skip it. Select your navigation style, buttons, or the gestures. If you want, when it comes to buttons, you can also change the button order. You can see the differences right in here. I'll stick to buttons, click on next, select your theme, then click on next. You can set parental controls. I'm adult, so I don't want it. And now click on finish. And now we are ready to use our phone. Alright, And that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.